The people who invented your credit score also profit when it's low. That's not a coincidence. That's the game. And I helped build the rulebook. Here's what a credit score actually is. Forget the number. The number is a costume. Underneath it is a carnival game. You know those ring toss booths at a fair? You pay $1, you throw a ring, you try to land it on a peg. Looks easy. The pegs are just far enough apart that you almost make it. Every single time. Almost, that's your credit score. The game looks fair. The game was never fair. The pegs were placed by the people selling the rings. Your score is calculated by a private company, not the government, not a neutral third party, a private company called FICO. They invented the score. Lenders, banks, credit card companies, auto dealers, they pay FICO to use it. So the people who loan you money at high interest when your score is low are the same people funding the system that decides your score is low. Read that again. The referee works for the other team. And here's how the trap locks shut. To build a credit score, you need credit. To get credit, you need a credit score. There is no door in. They built a wall and then charged you rent to stand near it. The ring toss booth doesn't give you a ring until you've already won once. It's not a system designed to help you climb. That's a system designed to keep score of who started with money. Here is one number, 45 million. That is how many Americans have no credit score at all. Not a bad score. No score. Invisible. The system doesn't see them. You cannot rent an apartment in many cities. You cannot get a car loan without a cosigner. They cannot access the standard interest rate on anything. They pay more for everything, more for insurance, more to borrow, more to exist financially because a private company's algorithm has decided they don't exist yet. Now make it smaller. The difference between a 620 score and a 760 score on a 30-year mortgage, just those numbers can cost you over $100,000 in extra interest over the life of that loan. $100,000 for the same house, same bank. The only variable is the number they assigned you. Here's what you stop doing today. Stop trying to win the ring toss. Stop optimizing for a score that was built to stay just out of reach. Here is what you do instead. You learn exactly what moves the number, and you use only those levers. Pay down your credit card below 30% of the limit. Do not close old accounts. They do not apply for new credit unless you have a specific timed reason. Request your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Not Credit Karma. Not any app with a green leaf. The actual federally mandated free report. Check it for errors. 1 in 5 credit reports has a mistake. 1 in 5. Those mistakes cost real people, real money, every single month, while nobody looks. Look, the booth is rigged, but you can still use the rigging against itself. If you're tired of being treated like a child, hit subscribe. I'm leaking the rest of the blueprint soon.